Wouldn't it be great if we lived in a world where all of us in the workplace could put our hand up and say, I'm struggling, I need help when we do need help? That if we're struggling with our mental health, we get support from our employers. And this isn't just me thinking this is a great idea because for the individual, for compassion for the individual. Look at the bigger picture. If you put yourself in the mind of someone leading an organization, whether there's 5 people in that organization, 5,000 or 500,000, if all of those employees are fully motivated, energized, and have got good mental health at the time, isn't that business going to be more successful? Aren't you automatically going to be able to hit your targets that much better than if you have a demotivated, de-energized company underneath you? If you invest in your employees, you will be more likely to succeed. You have a far better chance. FTSE 100 companies who invest in employee well-being outperform the other FTSE 100 companies by over 10%. This isn't coincidence. There are many other metrics where we can see this coming through. Absenteeism goes down, presenteeism goes down, staff engagement goes up, productivity goes up, staff churn goes down. So you end up with a more energized, better quality staff staying with you for longer with loyalty. And also, automatically, as a result of all of these things, you end up with higher profit margins. It is good for the business, it is good for the individual. But why do we not see this? Why do leaders so often go kick, 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 we need the short-term result, pile the stress, pile the pressure on, to the point where people start to break and people can't put their hand up and say, I need help. Saying I need help is deemed to be weakness. There's stigma around it. We need to be able to create a culture where people can ask for help and can get that help. And we need to have a culture where people are actually enthused and motivated and energized for their work that they're doing.